Guys, I'm making some oxtail for dinner tomorrow. Today's Saturday, by the way, so this is going to be seasoned 24 hours or more. It's optional to season your meat this long, but I like the idea. So I'm using green seasoning, browning, and onion, green onion, hot pepper, and my season blend. Now I'm just gonna rub all the seasoning in. So now I will cover this and let it marinate in the fridge. The oxtail have been marinating for 24 hours overnight, so I'm going to brown them just to get a little color, and then I will pressure it for maybe 45 minutes until it's tender. Guys, I'm making the gungo rice and peas today in the oven. This is my first time trying it, so let's see how it is going to turn out. I'm putting the washed rice in my skillet. Now I'm adding the gungo peas water to the rice. It's already seasoned with coconut milk and all the additional spices. Now I'm going to use aluminum foil to cover it. Guys, this is the finished product of making the rice in the oven. I don't think I'm making rice any other way. I'm sorry. You see how shelly this rice is? And no, the rice didn't burn either. As you can see at the bottom, perfect.